Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. Deleting a Facebook page means it's no longer available to the public. You have 30 days to restore the page if you change your mind. After that, the page and all its contents are gone forever. If there's a chance you'd want to restore a deleted Facebook page after 30 days, consider deactivating it instead of deleting it. Here are the steps to remove a Facebook business page. Your pages and settings may look slightly different, but the steps will be the same. First, open Facebook. Click your profile picture in the right-hand corner and click on the page you want to delete. Once you have switched to the page, click the profile picture in the upper right again and click on Settings and Privacy icon. Then choose Settings. In the Privacy menu on the left side of the screen, select Facebook page information or page details. Look for deactivation and deletion settings and click the View link. You will now see the option to deactivate or delete the page. Select the button next to Delete Page and then click Continue. On the next screen, you can download the data associated with the Facebook business page or transfer the data to a different Facebook profile. When you're ready to proceed with deleting the page, click Continue. Before deleting the page, Facebook asks you to verify that the page belongs to you. Enter your Facebook password and click Continue. Facebook will confirm you want to delete the page, reminding you that the page's data will disappear after 30 days. After reading the message, click Continue, and the page is now deleted. After completing these steps, your business page is permanently removed. The only way to get the page back along with associated data is to request a restore from Facebook support. After 30 days, not even the support team can recover the page. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.